Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make incoming calls full screen on your iPhone in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make calls show in full screen mode, first open the Settings app and then look down the list for the option called Phone. You might need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, then tap on Apps and then find it if you're on iOS 18. Within here, tap on where it says Incoming Calls, and now you can set this to full screen. That's how to make incoming calls full screen on your iPhone in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.